Hi guys, so this is a quick video and telling you about the 74K dock. So I'm going to flip my camera around and you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm going to show you on my phone. So as you can see, I am sharing with you what we're going to be doing on my phone. So the 74K dock, as you can see, it's written out all here. So I'm just introducing myself and my good friend Paul Turner, who's also a partner with me in this, and we created the 74 dock, and we were talking about, how did you come up with the terminology of 74K dock. So if you have one customer per week, you will end up with $74,800 recurring income by the end of the year. So we talk about exactly what we do and how we leverage that, and sharing all the details, cutting out all the BS and all the hype, because this is something that you find that a lot of internet marketers and affiliate marketers do. They intend to hype everything up and it makes it sound better than it actually is, and half the time it's really crap. So we've got like the income disclaimers there that we've done. We're sharing with you exactly what we do. We've put together a community which we are willing to share with you guys in the school that you can see that we have here. Me and Paul put together the trainings to give you everything that you need. So basically this is like a done for you product. This is a done for you service which is costing you absolutely nothing at all. And as a bonus as well, we've show you how to leverage it with the trading system, which is also in the group as well, in the community. And in there, we have Paul, who's an NLP practitioner. So he teaches you how to set your mindset in the right place. He's selling his book in the community, just for the community, for $7. You can get hold of his book for $7. Which is also really good, and it's a really good special price. And just for coming on board to taking a look, you get a $12,253 worth of bonuses just for coming on board and having a look and just to check it out. So this is what we're showing you, the $74,800 a year. Okay, so it's the 74K dock, that's what we call it. Kept it everything simple for the 74K dock, and we show you exactly what you need to do. You need to click the little box when you come to the actual sales page. You can sign today for $25. And that's all you're doing. You're signing up to a company called HBA, and we're referring you. And as soon as you're referred by one of us, we then accept you into our community, and we give just our students and their students and their students the help that we can give them. We give them all the information that they need to help get them started in less than 24 hours and to start generating an income in less than 2 weeks. So if this interests you guys, all I can say is, drop me a link. Actually, not drop me a link, but actually drop me a message, or come and visit the website, www.kevinebsworth.com, and you'll have access to the 74K document. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.